Nab clíte gdíseo bhí deise Corcaigh an náit at le canis roing hain againú le cóscóir nó bua le boutamháin fós le himmert. Seachsat lethe mouta hain a ginga pertláirige a tá spáns Limní treis dul an airt gannart. Le le canis na mún fefe chuig Granton an Aigna an airóchló trúpi ben O'Connor a chlí. Brian Tyres is Cathal Mór a hamon tráthruachta.
Stechensa, well, blúide gadíocht an nachmór a ge Hayes ar Casey. Slacht ige Adam English. Vier scoch agus trasfarke ige Kyle Hayes. An prabbe in a route to Shane. A Brian and sa Donish dag a door chower agus tá cún no tala. Fachting an law to say mar ragra the Limerick.
Oh, Shane an a chool ar fad. Croy ar fad dig Shane O'Brien and Shane O'Honik and Leroy Distach and Shane. The an cousin Tormal like Dulamach and Shane Limerick. Fechmar, Quidmar, Corcaigh, Stach and Shane. It's an a chool ar fad, an a creach by Patrick Collins, Bader, Dimoch, nor Hobble Shea.
South now, Jide Heinig, agus Joyce, Stachensa, agus in Council Toka ge Hayes. Agaganish Marco Hogan, Dagestan, Vertiant and Baltasa, Kegushin, Kiet Kianamu.
Oh, Shin cooling all and cool all and Fekiagan and Tivella, ach Shin cooling all and.
Son Pegani Savarach, Joyce reached. Yinshin Machin Gudil, Kylan Takuicht. Pegan Maula Tacht, Hev Corcaigh, Fos Mata Sachorak. Derry here, Eileen Le Farchilia Barry Walsh, agus Scrile Fade Gun and Tarna kind of again Jose, agus and Vertianta.
Oh, Shin on a score, Fadig Barry Walsh.
Fachtige, Ibrahim Glimnishine, Ed O'Connor, Carl O'Neilanish. Kian Ninchadir Garuher, a whole Sachni, and then the Hoga, Carl O'Neil, Coward, Paitanias. Tommy O'Connell a dull sheer. Ach an fód Shasta go jing a bhaid to get Groid Hagerty son agus Cian Lynchinish. Bet no tsúr a bit na sáil go súd. Skill an ias. Istechan sa Gillan a gúport sa bháin agus sa eile agus a Derry here. An Vertianta a get fair Hopper Fádrig. Damien Callahan tá annach leimar to get showed. An Ardle Burns and son agus Kingston Bucht a bhí hús fé. Kama Burton son again, Cian Lynch, Shirnsa, Gadina 40, Adam English on Clihon Ho, Painter Ordlog Lochland to Limney. Stakani Tim O'Mahony, Count Das agus Tá Hayes a Ross, Lashtig the Sud Chomata Alan Walsh. After Roberta Will O'Donoghue, Kays, Gaffa Harvert, Pass all the Stachansa, Agus and Council, Bulcha, Agus Bulcha go hall in your fad. Agus Elilín Cúig Véidir Stahat Heinig Diarmaid Burns tá sé fada go leor nach mór níl an cumán á lúsca ge Shane O'Brien Fachtan sa ge Corcaigh agus Dacrachtaí ge Roach Shelif Gael tugus Reedy anna Yasach Garamach nach mór ge Tommy O'Connell Gadaíocht an son ge Cian Lynch Carl O'Neill Fevrú an son Shane Barrett Oberchroig get showed agus anish over Sposh. Or the Hanking Gadas Cadas or Brian Hayes. Coig Vieder Estrada and Spruck Picarkini nach Shane Vart. Agus Tasson Dient to get Cormarisht. Nicky Quaid. Or Gurs Tula Recht. Adam English or Ross Trust the Joyce Alianunt. And Diver Hocht. But you need to hear Hankin and Sagas Limerick attack the Chachon Glihon, Le Carl O'Neill. Shirgady Adam English, De Breeder and Scorson, go hauling Erfat. Trinigel Limerick, Barry Nash, Inche Cookshire and Gownson, Agus Awaynish Le Barry Walsh. Stackery Barrett, Barney on Oscar Chachon Fitzgibbon, Will O'Donoghue, Besha Boechner, Husha Amunraha, Shane Barrett, Agus Ta Pianos, Corcaigh Corcaigh Erfartoon Limney. Tom Morrissey of Vogad and Schlitter. Pass Aliasiga Tim O'Mahony after the Shane O'Brien own. Stach Savarna Le Cian Lynch. Agus Ty Graham Barrettson to get Dara O'Leary or shoot. Trastagadi Carl O'Neill agus a Timon to Ishan again shoot. Esteach sa chúine an tar na cúla de Limerick.
Sin an na chúla Carl O'Neill Cademar riocht an sin óhar Parker nor a bhris an glúsach síos Tim O'Mahony a bheith róghaic an sin Shane O'Brien an sin leis a besisteach a Cian Lynch lornach sa glúsach de ríis.
Flanagan isteach an sa Bei seo lang an áfaileach takeíoch an Parker. Gillan agus O'Donoghue agus tá cinine dianta gan réiteáil Buaicphointí a bhrona Limerick agus Aaron Gillan. Búirteach aige Prabach an Dalamh a Corcaigh Patrick Collins agus inis tá solas sa le gart a dtír na fórne.
Hína déanais sé Aidan O'Connor. Is Frab sé an tála.
Gan éon bhíonar siúd atá le Shellive. Carl O'Neill, Trín díreach I lár na Parca a Counson, Trín díreach idir dá chúile. An bheartínta go maithsan siúd ige Dara Langan. Agus go daon hénig tána dó gherig séitansá ige Sean Stack na takeóirí go a rás isteach ar a bar go díreach tacht ar a lech le hénig.
We love to reflect on the past. If you stay there, I always believe if you're thinking there, you'll stay there. So it's really positive about the last night. We really genuinely have been taking week on week. We got off to a bad start and we just want to kind of correct that. And I think we've done that now for the last 4 games in a row. So
delighted with that, and I just thought our energy throughout was really consistent and really high. We didn't tire. That's a great reflection of the work that we've done over the last couple of months. A lot of positives to take. We're out of this block of 3 games now without too much collateral damage to the group, and you know, we're very happy with that outcome, if you like.